What does the code say?
Yeah, cylinder 3.
Still?
Yeah.
As we're making the exhaust clip video, we did I was coming up, doing a pretty hard second or fourth pull, and towards the end of the pull, the car misfired and then gave us a cylinder 3 misfire, okay, P0303. So we're in Azusa right now, which is right next to Gus's shop, and Gus Finance Motorsports. They do a lot of engine stuff. We're not gonna take the car to dealership because our thing is definitely 100% stock, so that ain't gonna work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it to Gus right now. As you can see, the car's running like crazy. We can't get the car towed because there's no signal. So we're gonna drive the car really as smooth as possible, as lightly as possible without adding any crazy throttle to it. Hopefully get down there, maybe reflash the map. I mean, the map is fine, with the tune. We had no issues with the tune. It's been like 5,000 miles, so the car motor is still good. Seems it's bogging right now because of the misfire. But hopefully, once we get to Gus's shop, he can give us a more further diagnose, and hopefully it's nothing major. So pretty bummed right now. Not really, but we do drive the car hard, guys. We do drive the car. It'll only hit 6,500 miles, so maybe in theory we drive like maybe 20,000 the way we drive it. So.